Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the WAAN 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
We've been talking about it all week long. That strong cold front that's heading to North Alabama late Friday into early Saturday is going to bring us that risk for severe weather. The risk is a little bit higher for our northwestern counties. We're talking a 2 out of 5 on the scale from the Storm Prediction Center. Farther towards the east along the I-65 corridor out into Madison, Jackson counties as well. That is a 1 out of 5 on the scale. But this is something that we really need to pay attention to because this is a risk that is coming through when many of us are still sleeping. So we'll talk about that in further detail coming up. But take a look at all of the sunshine across the WAAN 31 Thompson Roofing and Construction Skycam network. Just a couple of clouds here and there. Temperatures, they've been closer to average today, low to mid 50s, 54 right now in Huntsville. And as you would expect, the WAAN 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network showing a quiet picture from west to east, north to south tonight. Clouds are on the increase, the first sign that things are starting to change as a warm front approaches on Friday, followed by that cold front on Saturday. 34 degrees is our forecast low tonight. Wind out of the east-southeast at 5 miles per hour. We will get to 34 before the clouds roll in, so temperatures drop very quickly with that clear sky that we've got for the time being. Future radar shows us this. As we go past the current time period all the way into 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, look at what we wake up to. A wind mainly out of the south and a lot of cloud cover. It stays gray all day long tomorrow. It's no different through noon all the way into the afternoon and now evening hours. I'm stopping this at 6 to show you that we have a few showers that are starting to creep in from the southwest. We keep scattered showers overnight Thursday. This is 9 o'clock all the way into Friday morning. As we get into Friday, that's when we're bringing in that chance for a few rumbles of thunder as well. It wouldn't be impossible to get a stronger storm as this warm front is lifting northward, but the bulk of that severe threat does come with the cold front very early Saturday morning. Tomorrow, fairly quiet otherwise aside from the cloud cover. It's dry during the day at least. 58 degrees by noon, 61 degrees by 3 o'clock, still with that mostly cloudy sky. Now let's pick back up here Friday at noon. Scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. A little bit of a break as a lot of that moisture pushes farther north with the warm front. Then the cold front's going to come in from the west here quickly. This is midnight, now all the way to 5:30. Now here comes 8:30. And notice that the heaviest rain is coming along with the strongest storms just ahead of this front. So this is going to be something that's right over the I-65 corridor around mid-morning and then continuing to track eastward as we go through the rest of the day. So it really looks like that severe threat is focused to the early morning hours on Saturday, dropping off very quickly past noon. On our primary threats here, calling it a medium risk right now since we're still a few days out. Still maybe some fine tuning here, but damaging wind, tornadoes, and heavy rain, calling it a medium risk. I've got that tornado risk at a medium threat for the simple fact that there's a lot of rotation available for these storms to tap into, and that is something that we're watching closely for you because this is going to be again when many of us are still asleep early Saturday mornings. We want you to go to bed Friday night prepared for what's rolling in early Saturday. 7-day forecast shows that once that front passes, the temperatures just drop like a rock. 32 degrees Sunday morning, 54 Sunday afternoon, and then we have quiet sunny weather, milder temperatures next week.